In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Freshbooks affiliate program. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply, get approved, and start earning commissions by promoting Freshbooks. First, you need to sign up on the official Freshbooks affiliate program page. Open your browser and search for the Freshbooks affiliate program. On that page, look for a button that says something like Join Now or Sign Up. When you click it, you'll be redirected to an application portal that's usually managed by an affiliate network, such as Share a Sale or Awin. Don't worry if the branding looks slightly different there. That's normal because FreshBooks uses these networks to handle affiliate tracking and payments. Next, you'll complete the application. Take your time filling out the form and make sure all your information is accurate. You'll typically be asked about your website, your audience, and the main ways you plan to promote FreshBooks, like blogs, social media, or email marketing. Be as specific and honest as possible because this helps the team understand how you'll represent their brand. If you're a FreshBooks customer or an accountant who doesn't have a website, explain that clearly in the application. You can also reach out to their affiliate support email for guidance if you're unsure what to put in certain fields. After submitting your application, you'll move into the approval stage. The FreshBooks team or the affiliate network will review your details to make sure you're a good fit for the program. This review can take a bit of time, so don't panic if you don't hear back immediately. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find your unique tracking links, banners, and any official promotional materials. If your application seems stuck in review for too long, or if it's denied and you're not sure why, you can email their affiliate support and ask for clarification or assistance. When you're approved, you can start promoting FreshBooks. Use the unique links from your dashboard on your blog or website, share them in social media posts, or include them in your email newsletters. Make sure you follow the program's rules and disclose that you're using affiliate links as required by advertising guidelines. Every time someone uses your link to sign up for a free trial or a paid subscription, you can earn a commission. Over time, you'll be able to track your earnings and payouts directly from the affiliate network dashboard, helping you understand which promotions work best and how to grow your affiliate income.